What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I want to spot the difference between real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe AD black multicolor colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the marking area here, there is an opening here, and also there is a white glue stain on the fake one, but it's on the authentic one, it was very clean. Another one also, as you can see on the marking area, the circle here is too big on the fake one compared to the authentic. There is a lot of gap between the line here and the circle, and also the position of the circle here and the red line here is slightly to the left, where it's on the fake one. The red line here is right on the middle of the circle. Another one also, as you can see on the marking area here, there is a gap between the tip of the Nike shoes and the eyelets, where it's on the authentic one is too close. You can see here, just remember. And also there is a white glue stain here between the midsole and the outsole. Another one also, the shape of the stitches here is crooked. You can see here on the authentic is very clear, very clean, very solid. Another one also, as you guys can see, still same, the circle is too big, and this one there is a gap between the tip of the Nike shoes and the eyelets compared to the authentic one here. The eyelets and the Nike shoes here is too close on the authentic one. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see on the marking area, the embroidery line here, the red line here is slightly go down on the fake one compared to the authentic one here, slightly come up. And also you can see here on the fake one, the Kobe logo is always like this, right below the black line here, where it's on the authentic one here, the Kobe logo is on the left side of the black line. And also there is a white glue stain right on top of the midsole. Another one also, still same, you can see here the Kobe logo is right below the black layer here, whereas on the authentic one is the Kobe logo is on the left side of the line. Another one also, still same, the red line here is slightly go down. On the authentic one here is the red embroidery line slightly come up. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, the circle here is too big on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The authentic is a little bit smaller. Again, another one still same, is too big, the circle here. Moving to the back of the shoe, as you guys can see, the embroidery here is messed up. The shape of the O is totally circle, where it's totally rounded circle, whereas on the authentic one is quite a little bit square here. Take a closer look, as you guys can see, the line here on the bottom isn't straight, isn't centered with the Kobe logo. Should be like the authentic one here, is placed right in the middle. Another one also, there is a white glue stain on the marking area here. Also the line, the Kobe logo is slightly to the right, isn't centered, isn't placed right in the middle. Take a closer look, as you guys can see, the O shape here is totally rounded, totally circle, whereas on the authentic one is kind of a little bit square. And this one also, there is a white glue stain. It's looking terrible. There is a lot of opening between the midsole and the outsole. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.